All right, friends, raise your hand if you're tired of the hurricane season. Me right here, everybody in the First Alert Weather Department as well, and probably everybody that lives down here along the Gulf Coast. We've had 9 tropical storms or hurricanes make landfall in the United States so far this year. You can see them right here. Delta is going to be the 10th, the record 10th for the year. We've never had 10 storms hit the United States in a given year, but that's going to happen as we get into the end of this work week. So the impacts from Delta are as follows. Heavy rainfall, possible flooding around here, gusty winds, and even an isolated tornado threat. Probably Saturday, maybe even into a little bit of Sunday too, depending on the speed and the intensity and how everything comes together with the track as it makes landfall. So stay tuned for updates over the next couple of days, but we will continue to monitor that system. The eye of it still being detected by the radar site in the Cayman Islands right there. That is the center of this very powerful hurricane right now. A Category 4 storm, sustained wind at 145 miles per hour, classic, symmetrical, continuing to develop. It's going to be moving closer to Cancun later tonight. And talk about rapid intensification over the last 24 hours. It's gone from 45 mile per hour sustained wind at 10 o'clock yesterday. We've added 100 miles per hour as far as that sustained wind. As of right now, it is very strong, very powerful. It is moving back to the west-northwest on the western side of this area of high pressure, and that's going to keep it going back to the west and northwest a little bit in the near term. And once it gets on the western side of that ridge, it will start to turn back to the north and then eventually northeast and get into the northern Gulf Coast, making landfall first later tonight and tomorrow near Cancun as a strong storm, and then getting back out into the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Still a Category 3 or 4 storm into Thursday, approaching Louisiana sometime Friday afternoon, Friday night as a very strong hurricane. And then the remnant low center will be moving across North Mississippi Saturday, maybe lingering into Sunday, depending on the speed of which it's going to come on up into our neck of the woods. So there's going to be a very heavy swath of rainfall in our region, 2, 4, 5, 6 inches or more. Now, wherever the track sets up, that's where the heaviest band is going to be. It could be in our area, maybe back to the west a little bit, but some of you may see rainfall totals over 4 or 5 inches with this setup, along with those gusty breezes and that isolated tornado threat. So right now in Vernon, we're quiet. Louisville, Mississippi, we're quiet. We are enjoying the sunshine in Columbus at 80 degrees. And also in Tupelo at 80 degrees. It's a very nice day. We're going to have lows tonight down into the 50s, mid-80s tomorrow, probably Thursday too, dry through Thursday. A few showers possible Friday, 79 degrees. And then for your Saturday and Sunday, somewhere in there, we'll have that remnant low center of Delta moving on through the region, very unsettled. And once that gets out of here, still on the mild side early next week.